one spooky October night, my 2017 Camry's right turn signal went crazy. Not just fast turning, possessed.
Forget ghosts. Hyperflashing is the real horror. Fix it before your car starts speaking Morse code on the freeway. All right, first get behind the front bumper. That's where the turn signal bulb's hiding. Pop off the panel by unscrewing 2 screws. If that screw's super rusty and won't budge, grab literally anything and use it as a lever. Twist out that no-name LED bulb I got from Amazon, the one that barely lasted through a few drives. Time for an upgrade. DAMA high-power 7443 switchback LED installs in second. Plug, twist, done. Thanks to the integrated CANbus, you'll get powerful illumination without hyperflashing or dashboard error. My Camry's got a whole new vibe. This light is a bright white daytime running light. But wait, the moment you hit the blinker, boom, it switches to bright amber, just like that.
Insane brightness. Game changer.
Visit HIDconcept.com. Lighting the road ahead.